Good morning, wow kids. So kids, see here, I have a magic card for you. So kids, here are some fruits which are colorless. They are in black and white. Now, it has a colors. Again, it's black and white. And now, it has colors. So kids, let's learn how to make this magic card. So kids, for making this magical card, we will need blue color sheet, white color sheet and a transparent sheet, and also glue, some crayons, scale, pencil and marker. So kids, let's start. So kids, first of all, we will take one blue color sheet and fold it in this manner. Yes, and now we will fold this rest like this, and now we will turn it and we will draw one boundary like this. So let's draw it. So first we will make one line like this and over here also. Yes kids, so it will be something like this, and now we will cut this inner portion. See, it will be something like this, and now we will take a white color sheet and cut this white color sheet according to its size. So see kids, I have done it. Now I will fold it in this manner. Yes, and similarly we'll fold from this side also. And now kids, I will apply glue on this folded part. Yes, so let's apply it. So we will apply little glue on this folded part. Yes kids, and now we will stick this part to this frame like this. We have stick it from two sides and it is open from two sides. Yes kids, and now we will take one more white color paper and draw the fruits. Yes, so kids, which fruit do you like? Yes, I like orange. And what else kids do you like? Yes, very good, apple. So let's draw an apple. So there it goes. Yes kids, and let's put the stem. So see kids, the bunch of fruit is ready, and now I will cut it according to this size. So kids, let's start coloring. So first we will do orange. Yes, and kids, in this manner we will color the bunch of the fruits. So kids, see, we have did the coloring part, and what we have drawn? Orange, apple, pear, cherries and papaya. So kids, now we will take this plastic sheet and we will cut it accordingly. So kids, see here, the sheet will be like this, and now we will take a small piece of blue paper and we will apply glue. Yes, like this. We will apply it here, and now we will paste this bunch of fruit on top of this. Yes kids, in this manner. And now we will apply the glue on this part, and we will keep this plastic sheet on top of it, and we will stick it like this. Yes kids. So kids, now we will take a black color marker and we will draw these fruits on this plastic sheet like this. Yes kids, we will draw it in this manner. Again, we will draw the outlines of the fruits. So see kids, it will be like this. And now what we will do? We will open it and we will open from this side. And now we will put this white paper inside it in this manner. It will go inside. And yes, now see the magic. What happens? Now it is black and white. And if we pull it, then our fruits become colorful. Yes kids, again it is black and white. And now it is in color.